Hey everybody, this is Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I have got my top 5 Amazon seller fulfilled sales that I want to share with you, the ones I made big bucks on. Number 1 is a time recorder semi-automatic consecutive time clock. I actually bought this for about 50 bucks at a local thrift store near me, and believe it or not, I sold it on Merchant Fulfill Amazon for $799.99. My number 2 big bopper was a MediRub massager, MR3F foot massager, 2000 plus. I believe that I got this one down at a Goodwill or a Goodwill outlet. It's been a while. It was used, but it was in working condition, and I sold it for $179.99. Number 3 of my biggest sales is a Mattel Chatty Cathy doll from the 1960s. It's a replica reproduction, and I actually got this at a local flea market. It's a flea market that's in a town near me. That's all the time. They sell 24 hours a day, and they have an in-store flea market. And so I sold that for $148.99. Number 4 was a Canon BJC80 portable printer. I believe I got this from a Goodwill. It was actually used, but it was tested and in good working condition, and I sold it for $146.25. Okay, the last of my big boppers that I have sold on Merchant Fulfill for Amazon is a Dimplex EMC 4240 electric construction heater with an enclosed motor. And I actually bought this at a local thrift store, and I think I only paid just like 20 bucks for it. And I sold it for $119.75. So those of you who are scared to try to sell on Merchant Fulfilled, you can make a lot of money. All of these things I was not allowed to send into the warehouse for various different reasons, but I was able to make a ton of cashola off of these 5 items. I hope you'd enjoyed the top 5 of my best Merchant Fulfilled or Seller Fulfilled items, and I hope you keep on plugging away so you can earn money for yourself as well. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. If you are looking for resources to help you resell, just click the eBay link below to purchase my Hooked on Pickin Reseller program, which I created from my 10 years of experience reselling. It has checklist cards for Amazon, eBay, and Goodwill. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips, items, and strategies listed by department. The eBay card has a 6-step guide for reselling, and the Amazon card has a 6-step guide for reselling. They are fully laminated so they can easily go anywhere without being ruined. These are a great resource to buy. Just click below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.